Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we understood the difference between project, family, and template. Now, in this video, we will create our first Revit project and set up the basic things properly. To start working, first we need to create a new project. So click on New and then select Project. Revit will ask you to choose a template. For this course, we will going to choose the architecture template. Hit OK. Now our project is open. This is a default setup provided by the template. You can see different views like floor plans, 3D views, elevations, and ceiling plans. We will use these views throughout our project. The first thing you should always do is save your project. This is very important habit. So we will go to File and we will choose Save, and let's name it as house underscore project underscore 01 and hit save. Give your project a proper name. It is always a good practice to use clear and organized file names. This helps in managing files in real project. Next, we need to check the project units. So we will go to Manage tab and we will select project units, millimeter, feet, inches, etc. For most projects, we will use millimeters. Now, let's understand the default views in the project. Generally, the 3D views shows you everything you have modeled in a 3D space. Floor plans are generally show you if you are standing on a floor level and what you can see at your eye level. Ceiling plans are generally when you are looking towards the floor above, and in the elevation views if you are looking to your building from a elevation of a direction. Each view help us see the model in a different way. Before we move forward, let's do a quick navigation practice. You can use zoom using the mouse wheel, pen by holding the mouse wheel, and if we go to 3D, you can use shift and mouse wheel to orbit your 3D model. Try to keep your workspace clean and use the project browser to switch between views and avoid opening too many views at once. This will help you work more efficiently. So now our project is ready. Now we will choose a survey file to get started. For this, we already have a survey file which we will going to import in Revit to use further in our design development. So for that, we will go to insert and we will going to import a CAD using import CAD, and we have a survey drawing. From here, we have several options for importing the CAD file. So we just want to import this CAD file in the current view. So we will choose the current view only option. We want to preserve the colors coming from the CAD file. We will import all layers, and we know that the import unit coming from the CAD are millimeters, and we will going to import is automatic origin to origin. We can understand these settings later also, but for now we will do it as origin to origin. So hit open, and if we zoom out, we'll find that we have located our CAD file. So this CAD file is showing some roads and then a hatched area which we will going to use for our project. Here, it also defines some coordinate points. The SCAD file's origin and the origin of our Revit file are same, so that's why the coordinate points which the CAD is showing should match our Revit coordinates. So let us check. To check the coordinates, we can go to Annotate tab, and from here we can pick spot coordinates. But this spot coordinates needs to be picked from a Revit entity. So for that one, what we will do is we'll create a detail line. So we will create a small detail line at the intersection point of the coordinate 1, 2, and 3. Now go back to Annotate tab and pick spot coordinates, and we'll put the coordinate here, and you can see it tells the coordinates which exactly matches with the CAD file. Let us recheck them all. So you can see they perfectly matches with the CAD file. So now we'll just remove these additional lines. And now what we will do is we will take these site boundaries into our model. To create this, for now we will pick the detail line command, and we'll choose the pick line option, and we'll just pick the exterior side boundary. Now we can go to visibility and graphics. For that, either you can go to visibility and graphics from the properties, or you can choose shortcut VV. From here, we can turn off the imported category of the CAD file. Now we have the side boundary. Now, using the trim command from the modify tab, we can fillet these edges. And now we have perfectly got our plot area. In the next video, we will start creating the most important elements in any building, levels and grids.